Time takes time. It takes time to recover. It takes time to change. It takes time to grieve. It takes time to heal. And it takes time to learn a new way to live. Recovery takes time. It takes resilience and determination. And it requires time to learn skills. The skills necessary for sobriety, such as phoning a friend, talking about your feelings, identifying your needs and how they're being met or not being met, and how you can learn how to meet your own needs, what your values are, what your beliefs are, understanding yourself, discovering who you are and what you like and what you need and what your talents are and what your purpose is. And all these things take time. It takes time to know who you are and why you're here. And it takes time, even after you know all that stuff, to actually act on it and pursue, your dreams and your purpose and your goals. And that time is our lives. Our time is our life. And every day we get 24 hours, or, if we sleep for hopefully 8 of them, a little less time. And we get to figure out how to spend that time in a way that aligns with who we are and also with who we want to be. That's why the most important thing about recovery and sobriety and change is not giving up, because time takes time and you don't get years by constantly giving up. You get years by knowing that this is a life of learning. It's a life of one day at a time, adding up to whatever it's going to add up to. I guess for myself, what I hope it'll add up to is something I can be proud of, a life I can be proud of, a life that I feel like at the end of my life that I can say, like, good job. Good job. You did good. You did good, Francis. Some things tried to take you out, but you persevered, and I'm proud of you. That's my hope for the end of my life. And I think that that's the other thing about time is, for each of us, it's limited. It does end, and our time here ends. And that might sound a little bit morbid, but it's the reality that keeps me focused on what I do with the time I've been given, because I've lost a lot of people in my life and I've lost a lot of people to addiction. And I know that our time runs out. So, how I spend my days is how I spend my time, and that's how I'm spending my life. And I enjoy recovery. I enjoy living in recovery and doing the things that have helped me be a healthier person. And so that's why I continue to do it, because I like it. I like the results of it, and I like the way that it feels. And so I keep doing it. So if you're struggling or suffering in any way and you think it's not worth it, I promise you it is. And once you come into recovery, it's almost like recovery or bust. It's very difficult to go back to substance use and that lifestyle after you've had the experience of recovery and spirituality and community and all the things that recovery holds. So Anyways, that's my 2 cents on time. And yeah, thanks for letting me share. Have a good day.